You've been doing everything right, the walks, the weights, the clean eating, and you're still losing muscle. Not because you're doing something wrong during the day, but because of what happens to your body every night while you sleep. In the next 7 minutes, you'll learn the exact 3-step bedtime fix that will change your routine tonight. Let me tell you about Donald. He was 65 when I spoken to him, a retired heavy-duty truck driver. He walks it every morning, lifts light weights 3 times a week, eat clean, and genuinely committed. Every morning he wakes up stiff, arms flat, and his legs were heavy before he'd taken a single step. He thought it was just age. It wasn't age. It was something nobody had told him. Your muscles don't grow during exercise. They grow during sleep, when your body releases human growth hormone and repairs every fiber you work during the day. If that window is broken or starved, you're not repairing muscle. You're breaking it down. When you fall asleep, your body enters a 7 to 9 hour fast. In men over 60, muscle protein breakdown occurs at an accelerated rate that is not seen in younger individuals. Donald's doctor, a sports medicine physician specializing in muscle health, reframed the stiffness. It wasn't aging, it was evidence. His body had spent the night in breakdown mode. Think about what that means for every night you've already lost. 3 steps, 30 minutes before bed. Here's what changed it for Donald. Step 1. The pre-sleep protein window. Going to bed on an empty stomach is one of the worst things you can do for your muscles after 60. Without raw material during the night, your body takes what it needs from the muscle itself. That means the fix isn't complicated. You need the right protein at the right time. Most men reach for whey protein. Whey clears from your bloodstream in 90 minutes. So, by the time the most critical repair window of deep sleep opens, the amino acids are already gone. 90 minutes, gone, and deep sleep hasn't even started yet. Meanwhile, casein is different. It releases amino acids across 5 to 7 hours, the entire overnight window. While you sleep, it delivers what your muscles need to rebuild instead of breaking down. 5 to 7 hours. That's how long casein keeps delivering while you sleep. A randomized controlled trial was published in the Journal of Nutrition. The study involved 48 older men with an average age of 72. The casein group had significantly higher overnight muscle protein synthesis rates than those who took nothing. In plain terms, their muscles were actively rebuilding while they slept. Slow digesting protein before bed may support muscle repair in ways fast digesting protein simply can't. So why is everyone still reaching for whey? Target: 30 to 40 grams of casein-dominant protein, 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, and a small portion of low-fat meat is included. Donald started that night with a bowl of cottage cheese. Within 2 weeks, the morning stiffness was easing up. We have covered the protein window. But there's a second reason your repair window closes before it can do its job, and it has nothing to do with what you eat. Step 2. The nervous system downshift. Elevated cortisol at bedtime shuts down your human growth hormone. Every night you go to bed stressed, you're closing the window that casein is trying to keep open. Cortisol and HGH are opposites. When one's high, the other can't fire. That means the fix isn't a lifestyle overhaul, it's a 5 to 10 minute biological switch before bed. This isn't about slowing down, it's about opening a hormonal window. 3 movements. No equipment. Total time is under 8 minutes. Donald did these every night after his cottage cheese. 5 slow breath cycles. Belly rising, not chest. Without this step, the protein's there. The window isn't. Gentle lunge. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Seated, fingers laced behind the back, chest open upwards. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. 3 movements. Under 8 minutes. Do them tonight. When you do these exercises consistently, you lower cortisol, open the HGH window, and prepare your body to spend the night repairing instead of surviving. But if your sleep isn't deep enough, none of it reaches the muscles. If what you're watching is changing how you think about your next bedtime routine, hit subscribe now. Every week, I bring you practical content built for you if you're serious about staying strong after 60. Step 3. The sleep architecture fix. Human growth hormone is released almost exclusively during stages 3 and 4 of sleep. If you're not reaching deep sleep, HGH never fires. Broken sleep eliminates the repair window. That means the fix is structural, 3 levers that control whether you reach deep sleep each night. So why is nobody telling you your sleep schedule is destroying your muscles? A study was published in Deutsches Ärzteblatt International. Data from over 1,000 adults aged 60 and older found poor sleep quality directly linked to lower muscle mass and reduced muscle function. In simple terms, the men who slept poorly had measurably less muscle. After 60, disrupted sleep may cost you significantly more muscle over time. Every night of poor sleep is a night of muscle you don't get back. Fix 1. Consistent sleep and wake times. Shifting your bedtime from night to night means your body never settles into deep sleep reliably. Pick a fixed time. Hold it 7 days a week. Donald was falling into a deep sleep within 2 weeks. At the same time, every night. That's the key. Fix 2. Room temperature between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Deep sleep only starts when your core body temperature drops. A warm room blocks that. Turn the thermostat down to 65 to 68 degrees. By the 3rd night, Donald was sleeping through until morning, 65 to 68 degrees. Check your thermostat tonight. Fix 3. No screens 30 minutes before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin, the hormone that triggers deep sleep, and HGH release. Less melatonin means less deep sleep, less HGH, and less muscle repair. The screens have to go 30 minutes before bed. 1 hour of scrolling can cost you the entire repair window. Pull in all 3 fixes and find out what your body was actually capable of the whole time. 6 weeks later, Donald's daughter walked into the kitchen and stopped. "Dad, you look different. Did you lose weight?" He hadn't lost weight. He'd gained muscle, arms more defined, posture better. Waking up without the stiffness he'd stopped noticing. Energy he hadn't felt in years. Nothing about his daytime routine had changed. The 30 minutes before bed did what years of morning walks couldn't. If this video helped you, hit the like button. And if you know someone putting in the work and not seeing the results, share this video with them. They may be making the same mistake Donald was. Now you know what's happening while you sleep. Pick one step. Do it tonight. There's one more thing working against you that most people never fix. That video's up next. Click it now to find out. I'll see you there.